I'll guide you through how to download LinkedIn profile as PDF. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Once the homepage loads, click Sign In at the top, right if you already have an account. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, click Join Now. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then, create a strong password and click Agree and Join. Next, type your first and last name, then click Continue again. You'll be asked to enter your country or region, your most recent job title, and some additional details. Complete all the steps until your LinkedIn profile is fully created and accessible. Once you're logged in, click the Me icon at the top navigation bar. It's the one with your profile photo. From a drop-down menu, click View Profile. On your profile page, locate the Resources button next to Open to and Add Profile section. Click Resources, then select Save to PDF. LinkedIn will instantly generate your profile, and the download will begin automatically. And that's it.